go put this thing to work nice and early in the morning. I'll see you there. Hi, Smitty. So, Smitty said I could go camp on a stall squatch and camp anywhere I wanted, so I decided that this was a good place back here. Maybe we can build a fire pit, you know. But I told you I was going to put that tractor to work. Well, how am I doing? We need a chainsaw because we got to cut that and that and that and that and that, because that's hard on the bush hog and that, and then we can mow all this out. And then some of that over there, we're going to try to go in along that field and make a trip back, because we got to drag that pole out. And then in here, we got to go get gas. So that's what we're working at. Really? Oh, come on now. Maybe. No, dang it. Maybe. All right, hell with it. It can stay on there. Farmer muffler. Like I'm saying though, that's what Smitty and I's idea is, to try to, see what this limb does here. Oh yeah, snagulated it right out of there. That's our plan, because then it makes it like so much more better, nicer. You know what I mean? It's like we get twice the area just by mowing that, you know? Ah, we're stuck. So, is there one where you're at? Hey! Stan, is there one where you're at? Look, Smitty found a bike. That's why we're using the back. That way if we find something. In theory. So in theory, you see what we're trying to do here, right? Yeah, right on. See, that mound of dirt's gonna get us in trouble there. See that? End up getting on that and getting high centered with that bush hog, and then we'll have to back off of it. Smitty's coming with a chainsaw here, so We're gonna wait for him to cut these limbs off. And we can mow right up under there, so I'll turn it back on when he gets here. He's coming back here somewhere, I think. Well, actually, no, we're just gonna mow around and work. I don't know, it's steep in here. I don't know how you're ever gonna. So I told Smitty to get a chainsaw. He cut them stumps off pretty low. We could just mow right over them. So let's go up here and see what kind of chainsaw we got and have him tell us about it. So I told him we needed to cut these stumps off so I can mow over them. So he got the pull a wild thing out. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. Tell us about your saw and who built it. Oh, it's a Charles Briscoe? Oh, no wonder it went through that big timber like that. Alright, so we're here with Smitty and his Briscoe built wild thing, and we were back here forestry mulching. But this is where the campsite's going to be, am I right, Smitty? Yeah, yep. The campsite. So let's discuss this. So over here, eventually, not like tomorrow, there's going to be a building that's going to go this way, like a porch and stuff. And then in here there'll be a fire pit by this oak tree, and then it's not going to be Saw Squatch this year, okay?
Yeah, we're changing the name to Saw Camp.
Saw Camp, yeah. So it's going to be Saw Camp this year instead of Saw Squatch. Not because we don't like the name Saw Squatch.
A little trademark issue.
There's conflicting issues with a great big skill saw. It's like an 18-inch skill saw or something. So instead of dealing with all that, we're changing it to Saw Camp. So now you guys know. But we were just talking, and we're going to let some of these trees in here. So if you want to practice your back cut first, you can come in and have at it.
Yeah, we're going to save all these trees. We're going to do this at the event.
And these vines,
dropping them.
These vines, want to kill these vines to save his tree. It's an ugly tree, but it's a pretty cherry tree, so that's what we're working at.
Yep. All these trees back here, if you can see that leader, all the little ones, we want them all out.
Yeah. So if you want to chop wood at Saw Squatch, pretend like you're being a logger. But no, that's not what it's going to be about. And it's going to be 2 days this year, so yeah, make sure you come in 2 days. It's just going to be whatever. I think we're even going to do some wreck climbing, but I'm not real sure about that yet. But anyway, goodbye. So we went to load it up, and it decided, well, it was going to shut off. So we dinked around, and then we're like, oh, well, we ain't got no fire. So Smitty had this old lawnmower, this old Ford sitting up alongside. It had a cooler on it. And we pulled the coil off of it. Sure enough, we put it on there, didn't we, Smitty? It made a half a revolution. Woo, and it was running. I was like, really? So we drove it in down around there and it shut off. But at least it didn't break down out there and we got the task completed. So thanks for watching.
You can always depend on a Ford.
Yep, always depend on a Ford, either for parts or to get you where you need to go, I guess. All right, see you, bye. Thanks for watching. We put a lot of work into these videos, so don't forget to watch them to the end like you are. And if you're still here, I guess I'm saying you're a trooper, so we appreciate you. Anyway, goodbye.